This is Amsterdam, and today we have challenge with Marina. We're gonna split for one day and do whatever we want.
Yeah, so we'll be exploring a city, each in our own way, and you're gonna be our judge. So at the end of the video, please comment below
Which day is better. Mine is Andrew, just comment Andrew, and hers is Marina.
My day is gonna be more interesting.
Mine. So, welcome to my day, and today we're gonna do some cool stuff. And as you know, Amsterdam is famous of the marijuana. So, let's do something cool. Let's go. So, my first place here is this coffee shop, and let's try something good here. I think it's not only for coffee, but let's see. So, and by the way, this is a police car, and here is coffee shop, so it's legal in Amsterdam. So here you go, I'm in coffee shop, my coffee, just coffee, and this cake with wheat. Yes, this is my first time trying cake like this. No, I don't smoke and I hate wheat, but I wanna try this cake. Actually, it's not bad. It's like a cupcake, but with wheat. Yeah, and view here is amazing. Look. So let's go to the next place.
And so my day starts here in Keukenhof. It's the most beautiful tulip park in the world and actually one of the most photographed. And let's see whose day is gonna be better and more interesting. It smells so good. Keukenhof is the biggest garden on earth. It is visited by 2 million people in just 8 weeks when it's open, and it has 7 million bulbs of different flowers, including 800 different types of tulips. And the garden is so big that it can be compared to 25 football fields. And yeah, of course, it's a wonderful place, but a lot of people. And here you can take 1 million great photos with flowers, if you can skip the scout. It's so beautiful here, I love it. And once a year there is a very, very special parade, the flower parade. And I'm here, first row, and I'm gonna show you. That's so cool.
So right now I'm heading to the block party, but I think I'm getting late.
Hey, listen.
continue our day in Amsterdam, and here is the Blauw Market. It's the biggest flower market, and it's actually floating on water, which is pretty cool. I love it. Let me explore it. I love this thing. And of course I'll get some waffles, some of the best waffles here. Which one? Which one? This is peanuts and caramel, and the caramel fudge, and some chocolate.
This one with nuts?
Nuts and caramel.
Yeah, I will do this one.
I think we need some napkins. Can you get some napkins?
Two medium, one with white chocolate and one with...
Waffles, anyone? Waffles?
Yeah, for me,
waffles,
for me.
waffles.
For me, waffles.
No, it's not your day. It's my day.
How did you get to?
They're too big. Okay, let me try one. It's actually very good.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
Oh, I love it.
It's so crunchy, right?
Yeah, it's so good.
And so fresh.
Did you get some money for promotion for advertising the store?
No,
So why are you eating outside?
because it's so big that I can't move with it.
So, and my next destination, it's a boat trip. I know, sounds boring, but we have some bar on board. And we're gonna cruise around the city on this boat.
My name is Jeroen. I'm your skipper today.
And finally I got to my favorite museum here in Amsterdam. It's Van Gogh Museum, and it's gonna be a quick tour. I just told you that there are so many paintings that are not here, but I've seen them before, like many years ago. Wow, the texture is amazing.
We do like the big egg.
No, it's not an original, don't worry. Maybe we should upgrade our travel gear to this one. Look, I love this. And you always know it's yours. Van Gogh Museum. Check. So this was a pretty windy but cool day in Holland with me. And comment below which one was better for you, mine or Andrew's.
When I look at you like that, you lose it completely. Losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason.
So, my last destination of the day, Red Light District. And here I see a lot of fun and some girls on the window. So actually it's not that bad. Here a lot of people. So I'm done for today. My day is over. I hope you like my day better than Marina. So, and you can leave it comment below which day is better. So if you like just text Andre. Or if you like Marina, I don't think so, because it's very boring. You probably see some flowers and stuff like that. You can leave Marina, but Andrew, my day is the best, especially this red light district. Yeah, it's the best part of the city.